Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am excited to delve you through the intersection of two important fields, which are artificial intelligence and data engineering. But first, let's take a second and imagine a world where AI systems make a decision about your job application, your health diagnosis, or even the education path of your child. Now, let's think about it. Can we really trust these systems? That question leads us to the core of today's presentation, which is responsible AI and the hero behind it, data engineers. So, as AI grows more powerful, it grows more impactful. But power without responsibility is very dangerous. That's why responsible AI matters. It simply means building AI systems that are at the same time fair, transparent, and safe. AI that respects humans without replacing them. And to make this possible, we need more than algorithms. We need a foundation. And this foundation starts with data. So now let's shift our focus to the builders of that foundations, which are data engineers. Before any AI system can think, it should learn first, and it learns from data. So what if this data is biased, dirty, or even insecure? The AI then becomes flawed, and data engineers are those people who make sure that this never happens. They actually clean, prepare, and move data in ways that are accurate, ethical, and efficient. They represent, if we can imagine it as skilled plumbers, ensuring clean water flows to every part of the system. But we should keep something in head. Clean data isn't enough. It also needs to be fair. So let's be honest with ourselves. Data is a total reflection of our words, and our words is not always fair. If we feed, for example, biased data into AI, we risk building a system that reinforce inequality. For example, giving different credit scores to people based on their race or maybe gender. That's why fairness starts at the data level. Data engineers can rebalance data sets, remove any harmful patterns, and even constantly audit how AI behaves. So, because making AI fair isn't a one-time task, it's a continuous responsibility. But fairness also relies on something even deeper, which is trust. Trust comes when people feel safe. And when it comes to AI, safety starts with data privacy and security. We all share in a daily basis our personal data through applications, websites, or even smart devices. So how this data is handled matters a lot. Data engineers play a key role here because they encrypt, anonymize, and ensure that this data is only used for right reasons. This for sure helps meet legal requirements such as GDPR, which is very, very important and a key and plays a key requirement, but it more importantly protects people, and this is our aim. And when people trust the system, they embrace it even more. And this what keep us with a core idea, which is Trust always and also grows when things are clear. Um, AI can sometimes feel like a black box when making decisions that no one understands clearly. But responsible AI demands transparency. People have um, the right to know how and why a decision was made. And data engineers help here by documenting where the data came from, how it was cleaned, and how it was used. That trustability brings accountability. Think of it like a recipe. You want to know all the steps, the ingredients that led to the final dish, because at the end of the day, you are interested in eating it. So, um, what does this look like in real words? Let's take a real example of Rolls-Royce, not the car company, but the industrial tech behind it. Tech company, I'm sorry. They created something called the Aletheia framework. It's a full roadmap for how to build ethical AI from ground up. It includes, as you can see, 32 steps that cover everything from checking the social impact of a model before it's deployed to making sure it's still fair months and years later. And they don't keep it to themselves. It's open for anyone to use it. That's the kind of leadership that makes responsible AI more than a theory. It makes it actually a practice. And that brings us to our final thought, because at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. How we use it, that's what matters. And that responsibility doesn't just lie with developers or executives. It lies with data engineers, the quiet gardens of fairness, privacy, and truth in the AI industry. So if we want AI that serves all people, we must invest in those people who actually shape the data behind it. That's how we build an AI that doesn't work, but works responsibly. Thank you for watching. I am very happy to be there today, and see you in the next video with a new topic.